Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept in sci-fi movies. It's a reality that is changing the world in incredible ways, from healthcare to finance, education to retail. AI is revolutionizing industries and transforming lives. In this video, we'll explore the future of AI and how it's changing the world. AI is already a part of our daily lives. From voice assistants to social media algorithms, AI is everywhere, but its impact goes beyond just convenience. AI is also transforming industries and making them more efficient. AI is transforming healthcare by providing innovative solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing the industry today. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is able to improve diagnosis and treatment, accelerate medical research, and provide remote care to patients. AI is making significant strides in diagnosis and treatment by analyzing patient data and identifying patterns that may indicate a potential health issue. This can help doctors to make more accurate diagnoses and provide more effective treatments, ultimately improving patient outcomes. AI is also revolutionizing medical research by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying new patterns and insights. This can help researchers to identify new treatments and cures for diseases, as well as improve the efficiency and effectiveness of clinical trials. Finally, AI is helping to provide remote care to patients by enabling virtual consultations, remote monitoring, and telemedicine. This can help to improve access to healthcare for patients in remote or underserved areas, as well as reduce the burden on healthcare systems. Personalized learning, online education, and education for all are all areas where AI is making a significant impact. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is able to provide personalized learning experiences that cater to individual student needs and abilities. This can help to improve student engagement and performance, as well as reduce the achievement gap. AI is also transforming online education by providing innovative tools and technologies that make learning more accessible and effective. With AI-powered chatbots, virtual tutors, and personalized learning paths, online education is becoming more interactive, engaging, and effective than ever before. Finally, AI is helping to make education accessible to all by providing solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing education today, such as language barriers and limited resources. With AI-powered translation tools and adaptive learning platforms, students from all backgrounds and abilities can access high-quality education that meets their unique needs. AI is transforming the finance industry by providing innovative solutions to some of its biggest challenges, including fraud detection, risk management, and customer service. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is able to analyze large amounts of data in real time, detect patterns, and identify potential threats. This makes it easier for businesses to detect and prevent fraudulent activities, manage risks, and provide personalized customer service. In terms of fraud detection, AI algorithms can analyze customer behavior, transaction data, and other variables to identify unusual patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. This can help businesses to detect fraud more quickly and accurately than traditional methods. AI is also helping businesses to manage risk by predicting future trends and identifying potential threats. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI can provide businesses with insights into market trends, economic conditions, and other factors that may impact their operations. Finally, AI is enhancing customer service by providing personalized recommendations and improving response times. By analyzing customer data and behavior, AI can provide businesses with insights into customer preferences and needs, allowing them to provide more personalized service and support. Overall, AI is helping businesses in the finance industry to operate more efficiently, effectively, and securely, while also providing better service to their customers. AI is revolutionizing the transportation industry by providing innovative solutions that improve safety, efficiency, and convenience. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is transforming self-driving cars, traffic optimization, and smart infrastructure. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality thanks to AI, which can analyze data from sensors and cameras to make real-time decisions about driving. This can improve safety and reduce traffic congestion, as well as make driving more convenient for people with disabilities or other limitations. AI is also transforming traffic optimization by analyzing traffic patterns and predicting traffic congestion. This can help to improve traffic flow and reduce travel times, as well as reduce emissions and improve air quality. Finally, AI is helping to create smart infrastructure by connecting vehicles, traffic signals, and other transportation systems. This can help to improve safety and reduce congestion, as well as provide real-time information to drivers and transportation planners. Overall, AI is transforming transportation by providing innovative solutions that improve safety, efficiency, and convenience. With the help of AI, self-driving cars, traffic optimization, and smart infrastructure are becoming a reality, creating a more sustainable and efficient transportation system for the future. AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by providing innovative solutions that improve production optimization, quality control, and supply chain management. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is transforming the way manufacturing works. AI is improving production optimization by analyzing data from sensors and machines to identify patterns and anomalies in the manufacturing process. This can help to optimize production processes, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency. AI is also transforming quality control by analyzing data from sensors and cameras to identify defects and other quality issues in real time. This can help to reduce waste and improve the quality of products, ultimately improving customer satisfaction. Finally, AI is helping to improve supply chain management by analyzing data from suppliers, logistics providers, and other sources to optimize inventory and reduce costs. This can help to improve the efficiency of the supply chain and improve overall profitability. Overall, AI is transforming manufacturing by providing innovative solutions that improve production optimization, quality control, and supply chain management. With the help of AI, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and ultimately improve the bottom line. AI is revolutionizing the agriculture industry by providing innovative solutions that improve precision farming, crop management, and sustainability. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is transforming the way farmers work. AI is improving precision farming by analyzing data from sensors and drones to identify patterns and anomalies in the soil and crops. This can help farmers to optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and improve overall efficiency. AI is also transforming crop management by analyzing data from sensors and cameras to identify pests and diseases in real time. This can help farmers to take action quickly, reducing the need for harmful pesticides and improving the overall health of crops. Finally, AI is helping to improve sustainability by analyzing data from weather patterns, soil health, and other sources to optimize the use of resources like water and fertilizer. This can help to reduce waste, improve crop yields, and ultimately improve the sustainability of agriculture. Overall, AI is transforming agriculture by providing innovative solutions that improve precision farming, crop management, and sustainability. With the help of AI, farmers can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and ultimately improve the health of our planet. AI is transforming the retail industry by providing innovative solutions that improve personalized recommendations, inventory management, and customer experience. With the help of machine learning and data analytics, AI is transforming the way retailers work. AI is improving personalized recommendations by analyzing data from customer behavior and preferences to provide tailored recommendations for products and services. This can help retailers to improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. AI is also transforming inventory management by analyzing data from sales patterns and supplier performance to optimize inventory levels and reduce waste. This can help retailers to improve efficiency and reduce costs, ultimately improving profitability. Finally, AI is helping to improve customer experience by analyzing data from customer interactions to provide personalized and responsive service. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately improving the bottom line. Overall, AI is transforming retail by providing innovative solutions that improve personalized recommendations, inventory management, and customer experience. With the help of AI, retailers can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and ultimately improve the customer experience. The potential of AI is vast, but as with any technology, there are challenges ahead. It's essential that we approach AI development in a responsible and ethical way to ensure that it benefits society as a whole. As AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to transform industries and improve our lives in countless ways. But there are also concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the potential for bias and discrimination. To address these challenges, it's crucial that we prioritize responsible AI development. This means ensuring that AI is designed with inclusion, transparency, and accountability in mind. It also means involving diverse voices in AI development to ensure that the technology benefits everyone. The future of AI is exciting, but it's up to us to ensure that it's used ethically and responsibly. By prioritizing responsible AI development, we can ensure that AI benefits society as a whole and improves our lives in meaningful ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the latest technologies and innovations.